It's the annual tradition.
To the phone?
No. Open it.
Get it, Sully.
It's the annual tradition that I started with you.
I think I actually.
I
I picked it out.
I did.
That was my idea the first
But
year.
everyone's thought of it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sully lost his thing.
He lost his baked potato?
It went underneath the couch.
This is Herm's?
Oh,
Is this
great.
Herm's?
You're never going to have to get dressed.
I never
Oh,
did.
that's
Oh,
perfect.
that's beautiful.
Oh, I like the feel of that one.
Christmas moo-moo.
This one you gave me about 3 years ago.
I know.
Is that, what did she get stuck in?
Mom
Huh?
from Jen.
Did she get stuck in one of those? Like,
I don't know.
Yeah,
But look, it has
the
a
white
tassel
one.
on the front. Do you
Oh,
love
that's
it?
beautiful. Thank you, thank you. I had a feeling maybe I shouldn't bring my robe over.